look at this. Icicle. Snow. Freezing rain. Oh my god, it's coming down. You can legitimately see it. It's snow, icicles, freezing rain. We're about to have an ice storm over here. Look, icicles, snow, freezing rain. Like what the heck? What the, like look at that. That's my barn bath from my barn, and then it's filled with snow, icicles, freezing rain. You can hear it, like look, here. Look at my steps. You can hear it, boys. That is part 2 of the ice storm. Peace out, JC Timers.